Hello guys, what's up? I'm very well today and I came here to talk about me. Well, my full name is Guilherme Poncio and everyone calls me Gui. I'm 27 years old and my birthday is on August 10th, the folklore month here in Brazil. I live in Araras-SP on Germano Bellatini Street 603. Araras is a small city. I live with my parents and two siblings. I love my family. My mother, Marta, is extremely lovely. My father, Silvio, is a little bit crazy. He is a truck driver. My brother, Gustavo, can play soccer very well. And my sister, Bruna, is so beautiful. On weekends, I usually go out with my girlfriend here or in Rio Claro. She lives there. When we are with friends in a barbecue or party, we like going to restaurants, fast foods, pubs, eating a lot. On weeks, I'm busy. I wake up at 6 a.m., have breakfast and go to work. I work in an automation company here in Araras. I love working. I can program CNC machines and operate other machines too. I'm very good at it. I'm capable of doing projects too, but just a little. I need to practice more. I'm very perfectionist and organized. Maybe I'm a little bit rude. Well, I work until 5 p.m. and after that I go to my machine company, the MUG, Machining and Development, and I work more. On Thursdays I have a different routine. I go to English class with my friends. On Fridays it's chill out at work and all activities. I finish my week watching movies or series on TV. I like epic and war movies. In my free times, I like staying home doing nothing, but I prefer sports. Soccer is the best. I love it. I love sightseeing by motorcycle too. It's a piece of cake. Well, that's it. Goodbye people.